Holy moly. Now I'm gonna show you something quite amazing. This is just the entrance to the moonlight landscape. Tomorrow I'm gonna explore more, but I couldn't resist it and I came here just the sunset time. It's amazing. This is just out of this world. I'm in a different world, a different planet, and there is no one almost. And all these rocks, black, lifeless rocks around me. I'm gonna go and feel them from the inside. I'm gonna park the car somewhere and just go. I feel like I'm close, and it's just dark. There's no one here. It's almost full. There's nothing. This is just. I feel like I'm really. This is insane. I feel like it's some Mad Max movie. Futuristic Mad Max movie. Guys, if you want to feel like you are really on a deserted, well, not deserted because it's never been inhabited probably. Deserted is something that was inhabited and then it wasn't. No, like if you want to be completely on an inhabited virgin off-planet world, of this planet world. In other words, if you want to feel like you are on a different planet, barren, desert-like, mountain-like, volcanic-like, black and mystical, then this is it. This is it. And I haven't even seen it because it's just my first day. Hello. This is my first full day in Lanzarote. I want to go to this Timanfaya, I'm not sure how it's called exactly, National Park. There is this completely Mars-like scenery. However, I can't go in there today because I have to be back for in my room for some work-related issues. So tomorrow I want to do it because I want to do a full day without interruptions, and you have to pay 10 euros to get in there. So tomorrow is going to be a full day otherworldly explorations. But I still want to drive around today. And by the way, everything is good so far with the car. I'm enjoying it very much. I'm still very careful and a bit nervous. I kind of feel like the car is flying. I don't know, the cars are very light now comparing to how they were before. And I'm talking way back when I was in Poland. We had this old Polish car, Polonez, and it drove very heavy. It didn't have the, I don't know what's the name for that in English, when you know the steering wheel facilitator. It just goes so smoothly, a bit too smooth even, like you press the pedal and it goes very fast. So yes, I want to drive around. I'm so used to walking all the time everywhere. But I want to take this opportunity and drive around and see as many interesting angles of this park as possible. So let me just go back in and see if I can park somewhere and maybe walk into it. I thought I was going to be able to drive there inside the park, but actually it's not possible. They actually take you there with the bus. You park, you go as much as you can with a car, and then you park, and the bus takes you all across the desert area. Okay, let's see what else I can find. Well, what else? It's just the beginning. I stopped here for a little while and just in this town, and then I want to go back into the national park desert area and see if I can actually find a place to stop the car and walk around a little bit. So I'm going to take you with me on this journey of discovery. Alright, ready? Let's go! Back on the road. Bikers are everywhere. voluntarily. I don't trust people. And then I have to pay or whatever. I'm gonna park here. That's it. Okay, let's go. There's a lot of wind and I have to find this place here to talk to you among the rocks. Okay, you know what? Actually, I know why you can walk on the road. Why there are no pullover areas, because it's not allowed. I tried, yes, but they stopped me. They said it's not possible to actually get out on the asphalt and walk by yourself. So yeah, it's a national park. You can just venture into the area by yourself. There is a trail, and I found a trail which I'm going to take to well, some other time. That's what I'm gonna do. But most of these areas over there you can't really walk. So anyway, that's about it.